Christmas is the best of times with family. I won't trade it for another day. Jesus is the reason that we celebrate. Salvation, the gift He brings to us. Let's bring our finest, enjoy each other. Let's have some fun, everyone. I am so happy that we are here. What a blessing for all. Let's thank the Lord, bless His name. I wish you consider what I'm saying here. That joy's truly something to behold. Happiness is one treasured possession. I pray all will value for themselves. Can you imagine if many people will realize what a joy to learn a lesson in life? What's key to be happy is put first, family unity. Christmas is the joy that we are family. Burn out of the love we have for baby Jesus. The time we spend giving love to everyone is the greatest gift that we can receive of all. Christmas, what a gift to give as present. It's one that our children can enjoy for always. The greatest gift that we ever have received is the love we give, that we all received from